Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing cooking with Mia, which is just really fun, and you are in my cupboard here and the plates are there just so you get a bit of bearing to where you are. And today I'm going to be making a halloumi bagel. I'm just here to say this is not real life halloumi bagel. I mean it's real, but obviously it's not actually going to turn out like this if you actually wanted to know that. It's going to be a bit messed up, just like my head, and yes, so that should be really fun. Carry on with the video now. Halloumi bagel, oh, so good. Just don't even look at the lighting, it's backlit because I don't have cupboards everywhere around me. Well Mia, you know what, you can actually build more cupboards because if you put your heart, mind, intellect and soul even to your smallest acts, this is the secret of success. 100% did not just Google inspirational quotes with determination in them. And yes, well, let's get on with the video. £4 from IKEA. Well, first things first, I'm going to be cutting up some halloumi. I think this is it. This cheese is kind of quite very satisfying to cut if someone else cut it, because I can't be good at cutting and everything else that I'm good at the same time. And if you know me, hello all of them. Well, that's my brother. I cut all of that out. And if you don't know me, or if you do know me, no one knows this, I don't think, apart from like my family. I can't actually turn on the hob. I'll help you. Thank you. Okay, so push it all down, all the way down. And then we'll go. Should I put lemon? To be honest, I have literally no clue what I'm doing. Hello me, hello my. I've got thin Warburton's bagels, which are already sliced, even though I've already got a chopping board, but that does not matter. Fuck it, I think they're nearly done. Well Mia, joke's on you, because little did you know that you had like 10 minutes left until they were actually done, so have so much fun. Well, these are sizzling in the back, you can kind of see it there, kind of not. The toast is in the toast thing, and I'm gonna have some leaves and carrot in this, because this is what I had before, but this is kind of scary. Ooh. Don't have to focus, my precious little baby. And I can actually smell it, kind of smells quite nice, not gonna lie. In the meantime, Mia's gonna be spreading. Okay, it's actually really noisy now. Spreading the butter on the said bagel, because then it can be ready for me, you know. Here's my carrot. Here is the halloumi cheese. And on the other side it's not as much, that's why I'm leaving it there. So, kind of fun and fresh and all that. Well guys, now it is time for the assembly. I have my bagel here, as you can see, and the things are there. So we're just gonna pinch off that one. Thingy on it, because I'm now spinach. So there's that. Pop the lid on it.
There we go.
Lovely. Wow, this is actually the end of my video. I'll give this video a thumbs up if you want. Click the subscribe button down below because you know where it is and you can, and it's free. See you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.